Well, now we come to something called the X factor. This is the crux of this lesson. You know, if you've understood this, then you can do any problem. I give you a guarantee. They can twist it, they can do anything, but you have to understand this, okay? We start with this. Suppose A gets half that of A gets half that of B's salary. That means if A gets 20,000, B gets 40,000, like that, okay? So A by B is 1:2. Caution. Don't forget that, huh? Caution, I left out a word. This does not mean that A gets 1 rupee and B gets 2 rupees. No, it doesn't mean that A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. It may or may not, but you cannot blindly state that A is equal to 1. That would be a very stupid answer, okay? Now these are the, why? Because these are the possibilities. Now A by B, okay? A can be 500, B can be 2 500s. So the ratio is still 1:2. Similarly, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, lakh. So the ratio, the ratio is maintained. As I've mentioned many times, the size of the bag or the number of items in each bag should be the same. Here the number of items is 500 1 rupee notes. Okay, 1,000 1 rupee notes. 1 lakh. Okay. The size of each group is the same. That's important. Why? Why is it important? Because then and only then the term ratio comes. So A to B is 1. Now these are the various possibilities. 1 can be multiplied into any one of these. Okay. Same. So X. Now A by B is 1 into X by 2. Now this is important. When we introduce X, we are giving the real value. Suppose X, we don't know what X is. Suppose X is 500. If X is 500, then that means A's actual value is 500. B is 1,000. So the moment you get X, the moment you put X, it means you are introducing the real actual value. This will be made clear when we see the ensuing lesson, okay? X factor continued, R5. See, this is what we have established for this one, okay? The inclusion of X generates the real salaries, etc. Now, application given. This is a question, meaning a demo question for ratio. Okay, the first question. Divide a sum of so much between A and B such that A by B is 2:4. Okay. Did you get the question? So that means A will have 3 bags of something and B will have 3 bags of something. But the something in each bag is the same. So there's a total of 7 bags, 3 and 4, 7. Each bag should have the same amount. So I said when you add all the bags, 7 bags, you should get this. Okay. Now when they give you this, it means that they are giving you a hint that this is the real value. So we have to tailor this problem to use all real values. See, X, this real value. A's real value is 3x. Okay. So real values 3x, 4x, the total gives you 8,400. Similarly, yeah, so X from here 7x is this, so X comes to be okay. Similarly, A gets 3x, B gets 4x. Here we are. So man, you can check these two should add up to this 8,400. Got it? We come to the last page in this introduction. This is demo problem 2. A line PQ is divided into 2 parts. Okay, it's 2 parts. The ratio is 5:8. Okay, that means this will be 5 parts, this will be 8 parts. Okay. If the length of the line PQ, meaning understood, I looked at PQ, I think it's not clear enough. If the length of the line, I think I made a mistake, but it is actually PQ. If the length of the line is 65 centimeters. Now this is another hint. That means they're giving you an actual value. Okay. So PQ is an actual value. What they've given. 65 centimeters. So 65 centimeters is this. So that's the real value, which means it's the real value of PR plus the real value of RQ. So PR actual value is 5x. RQ actual value is 8x. So 5x. So 13x is the sum of the real values. Which real values? These. Giving you the real length of PQ. Okay. So 13x is 65, x is 5. Then you can find the. So they want you. See the question. The line PQ is divided in etc. This is clear. Find PR and RQ. Not written clearly enough. So PR is 5 parts of the x which you have just determined. And RQ is 8 parts, okay. We found the value. So these two added should give you 65 when it does. So the problem is finished. So I've given, this is as much as I can do to give you a clear picture of what x is used. So please remember this at all times. Whenever we use x, it means you are tackling the actual values. Thanks for listening. Okay, we will continue later.